Everyone, in this video we are going to take a look at something called JComboBox. JComboBox is basically like drop down list for images. Like when we click the drop down list, it's going to open the images. Now let's see how to create that one. To do that, make sure you import all these things. I don't want to type everything. If you watch my previous video, you already know you had to mostly when we deal with GUI, we import this thing java.awgt.asterisk and the other things. Okay, import that one first, and then inside the class we are going to create some private variables. Private JComboBox box. That's the first one, and the second one is private JLabel picture, and the third one is private static string, and then square bracket, and after that file name. That's equal to, I have two image files. I'm gonna make this one as a two videos. Like I will do the next one in my next video. Okay, I will do the b.png. I will show the file as well, b.png, and then x.png. I have two pictures, x.png. Now I close the curly bracket right here, and then semicolon. Now that's it for this one. I'm seeing an error here. Let's fix it right now if it's possible. b.png, x.png, comma, curly bracket closed, private static string capital S. Okay, now the next thing is private icon, and then pics is equal to new image icon, get class, and then dot right here, dot get resource, file name 0. Okay, 0, and then close this one, and then curly bracket close, semicolon. Okay, now this one is basically the file name b.png, x.png, and this one is basically after we select the picture, this actual picture. And then we are going to create a method called public GUI. Inside of this method we are going to create the title, the title is our title, and then set layout, that is new flow layout, and that's it, semicolon. And finally we finish this one with a box is equal to new JComboBox file name. I'm going to complete this one in my next tutorial, and make sure you have all this code and watch my next video. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. See you guys on the next video.